Hesh baby. You making a skateboard? That's a clean looking shape. Make sure you have that adult supervision, Hesh baby. I don't know if that's a good idea, Hesh Dad. Oops, looks like someone sprung a leak. I don't think that's a good idea either, Hesh Dad. Don't forget that finger. You may be able to get that sewn back on. That's definitely the tool of choice, but that's not looking too safe. What a mess. Shape looks good, guys. Now for sanding. The board, not your face, Hesh baby. Decal placement is everything. Mob grip. It's the grippiest. Great job, Hesh baby. Creature DIY kit, out now.